Hello, dear students. Today, let us discuss some objective questions related to isobaric process. Isobaric, as you know, isobaric process is a thermodynamic process which takes place under constant pressure. This is the graph showing isobaric pressure or PV diagram for isobaric process. Isobaric process. Here, this is the horizontal curve where pressure P is throughout constant from volume V1 to V2. Now, some related formulas. First formula, as you know, equation of state for ideal gas is PV is equal to nRT. Here P is constant, therefore V upon T will be equal to N R upon P. Right hand side will be totally constant because N, R and P are constant. So you can say V upon T is constant. Means V1 upon T1 is equal to V2 upon T2. Now slope of curve. Slope of this curve will be dP upon dV because dP is 0 as P is constant. Therefore the slope will be 0. From first law of thermodynamics, heat supplied to gas dQ is equal to internal energy change plus external work done. As you know, internal energy change is NCV dt and external work done is P dV. So dQ is equal to du plus dW, which is NCV dt plus P dV. Also, external work done delta W or dV, dW is equal to P delta V, which is P V2 minus V1. V2 minus V1 is delta V, means volume change. And from this relation, PV2 can be written as nRT2, PV1 can be written as nRT1, nR taken common, this becomes nRT2 minus T1 or nR delta T. Now let us take some objective questions. First question is, work done by 1 mole of an ideal gas at 27 degrees Celsius to double its temperature at constant pressure will be. Here R is given to be 2 calorie per mole per Kelvin. Here gas is 1 mole, means N is 1, T1 is 300, T2 is 2 T1 doubled. Therefore work done will be. Now if you calculate, solution of question 1, you have to calculate the work done. W is equal to P delta V, which is P V2 minus V1, which is N R T2 minus T1. Here N is 1, R is 2 and T2 is 2 T1. T1 is 300 Kelvin. This is T1 is equal to 273 plus 27 Kelvin, which is 300 Kelvin. So this becomes 600 minus 300. The answer will be 300 into 2 means 600 calories. The correct answer will be this one. Now next question is, 300 mole of ideal gas at 27 degrees Celsius is cooled to 7 degrees Celsius at constant pressure. Its final volume will be. Here this is V1, T1, T2. You have to find P2. Pressure is constant. So solution to question 2. P is constant, therefore V1 upon V2 will be equal to T1 upon T2. Here V1 is or V2 will be equal to final volume V1 T2 upon T1. V1 is 300 ml, 300 ml. T2 is 300 Kelvin. T2 is 270 plus 73 plus 7 means 280 Kelvin, and T1 is 300 Kelvin. So 300 cancels and answer will be 280 ml. The correct answer will be B. Question number 3. A gas expands 0.5 meter cube at constant pressure of 10 to power 4 Newton per meter square. The work done will be. Here this is delta V means volume change, and this is constant pressure P. Therefore solution of question 3. Question 3. Delta W will be equal to P delta V. P is 10 to power 4 and delta V is 0.5. So it comes to be 5000 joule, which can be written as 5 into 10 to power 3 joule or 5 kilojoule. So the correct answer will be B, this one. Next, question number 4. Question 4 is 2 kg water at 100 degrees Celsius when converted into steam at 1 atmosphere, constant pressure 1 atmosphere. The volume changes from 2 liter to this much. Means this is V1 and this is V2. Pressure is this one. We have to find work done. Work done is the solution of question 4. Delta W will be equal to P delta V. P is 1 atmosphere. 1 atmosphere means 1.01 into 10 to power 5 Newton per meter square. So 1.01 into 10 to power 5 Newton per meter square into V2. V1 minus V2. V1 is 2 liters and V2 is this much. So V1 is V2 3.34 minus V1 2 into 10 to minus 3, which can be written as 1.01 into 10 to power 5 into 3.34 minus, this can be written as 2 upon 1000 means 0.002, and this is minus. So this gives 1.01 into 10 to power 5 into 3.338, and on simplification this gives 338 joule, which is nearly equal to 337 into 10 to power 3 joule, and 10 to power 3 joule is kilojoule. So this can be written as 337 kilojoule. The correct answer is this one. Now the next question, number 5. In thermodynamic process, the incorrect statement is, out of these 4 options we have to select the incorrect statement. First is, in adiabatic process system is insulated from surroundings. This is correct. In adiabatic process T V gamma minus 1 is constant. This is also correct. In isothermal process, temperature is constant. This is also correct. Say in isochoric process, pressure is constant. This is correct answer, because pressure is not constant. In isochoric process, volume is constant.